you know, the chest muscles have three heads: the upper, the mid, and the lower, which is called the clavicular, the sternocostal, and the abdominal head. Right? Now, to build your chest, you have to pay attention to each of these chest head. That is to build a full chest, right? So you have to attack your clavicular head, which is your upper head. You have to attack your sternocostal head, which is your mid, and your abdominal head, which is your lower chest, right? To get a full chest. Now we're going to teach you we're going to tell you the workout you need to do to get a very defined upper chest, right? And we're going to show you three workouts, basically: the incline bench press, the incline bench flies, and the standing cable flies, right? So let's get into it now. You need to set up your bench in an inclined position, right? So sound of Alex, let's show them. Your bench should not be flat. It should be between 30 degrees and 45 degrees inclined. You should make sure that your bench is not inclined over 45 degrees. It should be right between 30 to 45 degrees. So let's get to it now. Right, so you lie down, and remember always, if you are doing your bench press, whether inclined, decline, flat, whatever, you should make sure your eye is always directly under the bar. Make sure your eyes is always directly under the bar, right? And you want to make sure that your grip length is within shoulder length. Your grip level is within shoulder length, right? Then you pick and you drop it above your chest line. If it is possible, you can raise your head up like this and drop it on your neck, right? This way. Now up, go, drop it above. Yeah. By so doing, you're going to be stretching the upper part of your chest, your clavicular head. Right? Now, if you keep doing this, you're going to observe that you're not having that breast-like kind of chest, but you're having the full chest. Now, this is one workout for the upper chest. Now, let's get to the next workout, which is the flies. Now, for the flies as well, you want to make sure that your bench is in an inclined position, just like how we did the inclined bench press. Right? Your bench has to be in an elevated position. Then you lie down. Your starting position is this, right? A little bit close to your head. Your head should be under it. Then you don't open in a triangular form. You open in an arc form, like you are beginning to draw a circle. You draw a circle, right? Good. Let's go. You open it this way, and you come back to this. You open it this way, and you come back to this. So for your incline flies, this is the right form to do it, to build the upper part of your chest. So incline bench press and incline flies. Now let me take you to the last program, which is the standing cable flies, right? Standing cable flies, right? Now, from here, you bring your hands up. You make sure you're standing good. You get your balance. You raise your hand without really bending your elbow and without straightening your hand. So you get this little bend. You just bend your elbow a little, and you won't carry it front. You are carrying it to the other side, right? You are raising it up to the other side. If you raise it up to the other side, you are going to be engaging the upper part of your chest. Basically, that's what you're going to be engaging. So from down, up. Now let's see. Good. You take it more to the other side now. More to the other side. Good. Can you feel the stretch here? Can you feel the contraction here? Good. Aha. So, if you want to get a very well-defined upper chest, clavicular part of your pectoral major, incline bench press, incline flies, and the standing cable flies, it is going to be the perfect workout for you. So if you're not subscribed to this channel, do yourself a favor, click on the subscribe button, and you're going to see tutorials of workouts like this dropping on your screen every now and then, right? So click on the subscribe button, turn on your post notification, and we'll see you.